Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I think you know today we are living in a world there we're using lots of AI related tools. So I think you are already using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Midjourney. That's how there are thousands of AI tools are available over the internet, and these tools helps us to actually improve our productivity, like the way we used to work back in, let's say, 2020 or 2021. Now things has been changed. Now we can easily perform a task in a very short time. Even, let's say, I need to create anything, I need to generate anything, right? I can do it in a few seconds. So how it is getting possible? It is getting possible because of the AI development, right? So the recent AI evaluation, if you have seen, people are starting with something called generative AI. People have uh, people have adopted something called large language model. Okay, and with the help of the large language model, we are able to do so many things, right? So whether we are using ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Midjourney, or any other AI tool, there are there are actually thousands of tasks we can perform right now, right, with a single large language model. But the thing is that here we are having some kinds of people, they are not actually comfortable with this kinds of AI tool. Like if I'm talking about the chat GPT, right? If I'm talking about the chat GPT, so do you really think you know the every potential of the chat GPT, the way we use the chat GPT in our day-to-day life? Okay, it's the basic things actually you usually do. Let's say you give something, simple prompt, and you get the response. But do you know, like, you can utilize the chat GPT in a more efficient way, okay, by understanding some nitty-gritty details of the chat GPT. Then if I'm talking about the Google Gemini, so it is having lots of functionality. If you know that, your productivity would be really great. Okay, the way you usually interact with Gemini or chat GPT, so if you understand the entire philosophy of the Gemini, chat GPT, okay, their settings and all, so you can really actually use it in a great manner, right? So similar wise, the mid journey and all, okay, we are having lots of tools, I think you know that, right? But the problem is that people don't know about that, so they just only know how to give the prompt and get the response. So that's why I found one amazing platform, okay, there you can master this kinds of AI tool. The platform name is Coursiv, okay, coursiv.io. So this platform actually focuses on the AI tools tutorials. Okay, basically what they are doing, they are having lots of AI tools. They will give you the challenge. Okay, they will give you the challenge. So let's say in day one you can master the chat GPT, day two you can master, okay, any other let's say Copilot, day three Mid Journey. That's how you can master different AI tools. Okay, now I think we know, like 4 to 5, or let's say 10 to 11 AI tools. Okay, but there are lots of AI tools, I already told you, okay, in the internet. And this platform is having almost all kinds of AI tool, so they covers, okay. They are having their Android app as well. Let's say if you don't carry your laptop or computer, they are having their Android app. Even you can also install and you can practice this kinds of AI tool. So I'm going to show you how you can start with this Coursiv.io platform. It's super simple. So first of all, let's say if you're new to this particular platform, you have to go through a quiz. Okay, that quiz with respect to the quiz, actually they will understand about yourself, like how much knowledge you have on top of this particular AI tools and all. So for this you can click on start now. Okay, then you can you can see, like, it will launch you the 28 days AI challenge. So it is telling you are working for a company or working for myself. Let's say I'll working for myself, continue. Then I will select my age. Okay, so I'm going a little bit fast. Okay, you can read these things carefully and you can fill the informations. Okay, so what is your main goal here? Let's say I want to gain my financial skills. Do you feel overwhelmed with the living? Okay, so I don't really actually overwhelmed. How comfortable are you with the AI tools? I'm comfortable. Okay, but if you are not comfortable, you can fill the informations. Are you afraid to fall behind the AI trends? Not really. Then I'll go to the next again. do you think that is hard to learn AI? Not hard for me. Do you think you need programming language? Not really. Rate your knowledge in AI tools. I can tell, okay, I'm proficient, I'm skilled, I can use all kinds of AI tool. Have you ever used ChatGPT? Yes, I do use it really. Now, tools you're already familiar with, so I'll let's say I am familiar with all the AI tools mostly. Okay, so I'll go to the next step. Are you afraid to be replaced with AI? I never thought about it. Continue. What is your income range? And it goes, let's say it's like this one. Have you considered how AI skills could impact your career? Uh, I have heard about it. Okay, then are you comfortable with learning new skills of technique? Uh, yes. Then what are the other skill actually? Let's say personality I usually prefer. I'll select content creation. Continue. Then rate your readiness and master to AI. All set. Do you find it easy to maintain your focus? Uh, yes, I can. Okay, so okay, now how your AI experience profile. Let's continue. Is there anything special wish to achieve? Savings for a home. Okay, so how much time are you ready to spend? Okay, I'll say, let's say per day I can spend 20 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes. If you're not comfortable with 20 minutes, you can 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, based on that, they will give you the challenge. So let's say I'll select 20 minutes. So this is actually the level of proficiency. So let's say in December you'll be beginning January, okay, then February you must study. So that's how you can see all of the confident. Now click on continue. Now it is creating your AI challenge. Okay, so once it is done, it will ask for the email. So let's say I will give my email. Continue. So again, it is telling the name. I'll give this name. Now it will give you the scratch to save on your 20 day AI challenge. So you will be getting something called 50% off by using this coupon code. So I'll claim my discount. Okay. So guys, after logged in, you will be able to see these kinds of window. So here you have different options, like you have this home page. So home page will show you all of the analytics as well as the weekly streaks, okay, as well as your continuation. Let's say you started a course and that course would be visible here. Then you have prompt library and challenges. So for this you have also separate options, like you can see here you have the guidance, okay, you have the guides, and here you will be also getting all the individual courses. Apart from that, you can see the challenges. Okay, let's say you want to start a challenge, so you can start a challenge from here. So it is having different challenge, like no code challenge, 28 day AI challenge, okay, 40-day AI slide gig challenge, junior AI challenge, and you have also 25 2025 28-day AI challenges. Okay, so yes, and you can also see the completed challenges here. There is a tool, and one more amazing things I found in this platform, which is this AI tool functionality. Okay, so you don't need to actually take this chat gpt. So here you can do all of the operations the way actually you do in the chat gpt. So here you having all the model. So let's say you having GPT-5, you are having stable diffusion, Gemini, Cloud A, DALI, okay, Perplexity, Grok. Then you have chat gpt for mini, Flask. Okay, Flask is coming soon although. So that's how actually they are also trying to integrate all kinds of model in their platform. So let's say if I give any kinds of prompt, give me a summary of, okay, AI. So it is utilizing chat gpt model now, as you can see here. Yes, so here you can see this is the response. So that's how guys you have I think this is the limit. Okay, that means infinite limit. You can also upload your images. Okay, you can do so many things you can perform here, okay, in this particular AI tools. So yeah, so if you take this platform, you don't need to also take any kinds of other platform like Gemini or chat gpt, okay, stable diffusion and so on. Yeah, so this is one of the amazing things, and one thing I found helpful, which is this prompt library. Even you can also see the certificate percentage, like how much let's say percentage you have completed for these are the codes. Okay, then you can also do the dark mode operation, and one more things, which is prompt library. So let's say you need a prompt, right? Let's say you need a prompt related productivity. So here you have all kinds of productivity prompt. Let's say I want to get a prompt for my business plan. Okay, now here you can see this is the prompt. You can directly copy. Even you can also run this particular prompt in your AI tools. Okay, so that's how guys you have having different prompt, as you can see. Okay, not only from productivity, you have from sales, e-commerce, okay, conversations, rate optimizations, customer support. So whatever you need, you can even search, and they will be also integrating in future here. Okay, now let me show you some courses as well. So here let's say if I go to the guides, okay, let's say you want to do this chat gpt, so simply open the chat gpt. So you will be seeing the entire actually graphical representations of their flow. Okay, then you can even read this. Okay, if I click on the read, now you can see you can read about like the chat gpt and everything. Okay, so see, they have given the entire guidance. Even you can also open the playground. Okay, open the playground, and you can try with chat gpt. Okay, so you just need to read the lesson to complete their task and complete their course as well. Okay, so that's how you can also start your any kinds of challenge. Let's say I started this challenge AI mastery. Simply I will continue learning. Okay, now here you can see start the lesson. So you will be also seeing the syllabus here. Okay, this is the good example. Now here you can see you have to read and continue, read and continue, read and continue. Okay, so that's how if you spend 10 to 20 minutes per day. Okay, so you will be able to complete all of the AI tools. Okay, and here you will see the options and everything. So yes guys, this is the inside of this particular platform, Coursiv.io. I'll share the link, you can check it out. Okay, I think this tool will help you a lot. So I'll share the link in the description. From there I think you can check it out. Okay, so yes guys, this is all about from this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you next time.